Now let's look at problems. How do we solve problems knowing what we've understood? Knowing what we have learned, we know it, and the best way to check we know it is to do it. So here it is. You've got the original amount given right here, 85 kilograms. You've got the new amount, which is 60 kilograms. What do you think is happening? Is this an increase or a decrease? Decrease, that's right, very good. And now, is this an increase or a decrease? That's what you put there. Excellent. And so it's decreased by how much? From the original, take out the new and you'll get the difference, which is 25. Great. Now, what fraction is this of the original amount? This change, this decrease. So what do? You take 25 over the original amount. The original amount was 85. So that's the fraction. All you have to do is reduce it, and that's the answer. Great. Let's go to the next one. The original amount was 212. The new amount is 300. Now you work it out. Is this an increase or is this a decrease? You work it out on a piece of paper with your pencil and see if you can get the right answer. Okay? You know that's an increase. That's correct. And how do you find the increase? Did you work it out? From new amount, that's right, from new amount, you take away the original amount, that's smaller. So it's 300 minus 212, and the answer is 88. There you go. And then what did you do? You took this as what fraction of always the original? The original was 212. So 88 over 212, and you reduce it, and that's the fraction. Is this fraction of the original by which it was increased? Okay, let's get to the next one. $650, $900. Now you do this. Increase or decrease? Everybody. Can you tell me? Yes, it's an increase. Very good. And by how much? What do you subtract? What do you take away from what? Yes, from new amount, you take away the original amount to find out what that increase is. So how much is that? What's the answer? What did everybody get? 900 minus 650, that's 250. And then what do? Yes, the fraction of the original, we put 250 on top. What number goes below? The original was 650. That's right, that goes below. And when you reduced it, what did you get? Did you get 5 over 13? Excellent. That's your answer. Try this one. 176 hours was the original amount. The new amount was 88 hours. Okay. So you're going to find the percentage increase or the percentage decrease. What fraction of the original? Was it increased or decreased? Very good. So what are you doing now? 176, the original amount, minus 88. Very good. And that makes it 88. Now what do? You take 88 as the difference over the original amount, which is 176, and then you reduce it. That's obviously half of this, so that would be half. Excellent. Great job. This one here, the last one, 65 kilometers was the original amount, and it increases to 100 kilometers. So obviously from 65 to 100, that is definitely an increase from 65 to 100. And how much is the increase? From 100, we take away 65. We're left with what? 35. And 35 is the difference, and or the amount by which it was increased. And by what fraction of the original? 35 over 65. And that comes to, what's the answer? 7/13. The reduced amount is 7/13, and that's the answer. So, you've got it all covered. It was not as hard as you thought it was, and so now that you have a good grip on this, go ahead and do as many as you can from your workbook, from your textbooks, for quizzes, for tests, etc. You're ready to go. You should all get an A in this. Take care, have a great day, and feel good. You should be proud of yourself. Bye-bye.